Welcome back to Homemaking with Mima. If you are new here, my name is Wendy. Today's going to be kind of more of day in the life. I'm just trying to pull myself back together after the holidays. It's been over a month and I still don't feel like I've gotten myself pulled together. So today I'm going to try and get some of the things accomplished that I want to get done, checked off the list, and I'm going to bring you along with me. So I'm going to start out here in the living room. You ever try to pull yourself back together from the holidays? That's what it is. So vacuum's been sitting out here for a while. Tree's down. We need to get that bookshelf back out here. Need to finish putting whatever I had there. I can't even remember. I need to flip the cushions on the couch from all the sitting in that during the holidays. Clean up some stuff. Get some stuff put back where it belongs. Finish getting this out. And then I made some fabric softener. I got to get that downstairs. I got to get all these dishes put away. Because, I don't have that shelf over there. So I don't have anywhere to put the clean dishes that aren't quite ready to be put away yet. If they're still damp, then I let them sit out and finish air drying. I've always done that. I know I could try to towel dry them. But there's areas like deep down that you can't get. And I don't want to put them away wet. Deal with these dishes. I've got to deal with them. I do have to clean the sink and the racks today. I'm going to clean the stove again because it's after the holidays. I do got myself a little list going here. So I'm going to see what I can accomplish today. I'm not going to do any really thorough cleaning, like scrubbing the kitchen floor just yet. I just want to get some of these outside things done first, and then next week or the week after that. There's not a lot of traffic that goes along in here. I will do some thorough cleaning. But then, we come down here, and this room isn't so bad because this is my where I work. But I do have to clean that up so that I can work. My daughter had been going through a lot of her things. So I have to go through this stuff that's going to be donated to the thrift store. And because a lot of times I'll find homes for things. And then if I can't find a home, then it goes to the thrift store. So then I can get this room vacuumed up and get the boxes tore down. We saved some boxes as well, not only for the thrift store, but for the holidays as well. So that is what I'm going to do today. So I have been doing a pantry challenge, and I've just been putting my empty jars pretty much anywhere on my desk, on the back counter here. So now I'm going to bring a whole bunch of jars downstairs. I've already brought one this size probably 4 days ago. So yeah, I'm going through my canned stuff, which is what I wanted to do. So yeah, I'm going to bring these downstairs and get them put away. So I'm down here going to be putting these jars away. I definitely have to decide what to do when this box is completely full. I really have nowhere else to go with my jars. So I need to think of what I can in quart-sized jars, and my thinking is meals in a jar. So we haven't really eaten much of them that I've already done. I've got the taco base, chili base, ham and bean base. So yeah, I've got to figure something out. I like to have my broths in more pint jars. So let me get these other jars put away here, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm getting off track. I need to worry about this another day. So back upstairs I go. Now I'm going to tackle the couch. So I work out here a lot, and I just need to get it cleaned up, get it put back onto my desk, and get the blankets picked up. My daughter's been doing the same thing, hunkering down on the couch. So this all needs to get cleaned up, and then I can flip the cushions. Getting ready to clean my dish racks and my sink, and I've brought you along many times before, so I'm not going to bring you along for it, but I'm just letting you know I'm continuing on, and yeah, gonna get this done now. All right, friends, I'm going to show you an economical way you can save a lot of money doing this. Get yourself an 18-pack of the washcloths at Walmart. They're under $5. Use your Swiffer if you have one. If not, I've seen them at the thrift stores. Just so you know, I've seen these at the thrift stores. So check your thrift store first. Otherwise, you can go out to Walmart and you can get the Swiffer packet. Yes, there's a first initial expense, but you get the Swiffer part so you can use it for the wet. You want it for the wet, not dry. Well, I think you can attach the dry ones to these too. But you have these little indentations that hold things. And I'm going to show you, I do this all the time. I've just never shown you. So, economical way, saving lots of money. I have my bottle of solution here. I think it's Fabuloso and water. It's watered down. And so I'm going to bring you along and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Okay, so I have my Swiffer wand. I'll call it a wand. And I took one of my washcloths. I dampened it. I didn't wring it out all the way. It's still very wet. And I'm just going to put it into the holes, just like you would those wet Swiffer things that you can buy over the counter. Okay? Then I've got just some cheap Fabuloso from the Dollar Tree. I watered it down, put it into a spray bottle. So I'm going to saturate this. Okay? And that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to clean my kitchen floor. And I know I've shown this before. I just really haven't talked about it. But there, see, it's getting it up. It's just getting the surface dirt. I need to do elbow, really get in there and scrub. But like I said, I'm going to do that in another week and a half.
Speed to the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. Chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
next on my list is I'm going to give this a quick wipe down. I'm not going to do an extreme thorough cleaning of it. Just, yeah, it hasn't been cleaned since before the holidays. So that's what I'm going to do. But I'm going to take a little break first. So I'm going to go sit down and enjoy my coffee first and then come back and get this cleaned. Well, that's going to wrap this video up. Wasn't a very long one, but I just thought I'd bring you along for what I was doing today. And that was just trying to pull myself together. I didn't do a very good job, but at least I got a start. And that's all that matters, right? I want to thank you so much for joining me. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to the channel. Give it a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell, and that will prompt you to new videos coming out. And I want you to make it a really great day.